This is the Frugal Gardener. In my last video, I talked about, well, basically gardening in small spaces, gardening in containers, gardening if you don't have the funds, if you don't have a lot of money. And I showed you how to grow lettuce in a small container. These are dish pans that I recycled, upcycled, that I've used over again. And in this case, I'm going to plant radishes. Now, these are daikon radishes, so they're a little more pricey, but you can find packs of radish seeds at the dollar store and those other type stores, Dollar General, for as little as $0.25 a piece. The substance you see on the top here is wood ash. It's the same method that I use for the lettuce. So within this wood ash is also homemade compost. And if you're picking up on the theme here, it's gardening for either free or very little money. So if you make your own compost and you get wood ash from your own source, or if you can't make it yourself, from a friend, a neighbor, whatever, then basically you add your radish seeds. Seeds are pretty small, so you don't want to put them too deep. In some cases, I just press them into the soil and add water. So that's what I'm going to do here. This is pretty much all there's to it. I had some compost tea left over, so I used that instead of spigot water, and I added a little label there so I'll know what it is. I am notorious for not putting on labels. This is in addition to my lettuce and carrots and lavender, which is another video that I did. Basically, it's just a way of letting everybody know that if you have a porch, a balcony, a deck, front steps, pretty much anywhere where you can get sun, you can grow your own vegetables. Obviously it's not going to be a lot, but it's better than nothing. So that's it. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. This is the Frugal Gardener. You have a good evening or afternoon or morning. Catch you later.